Hello and good morning. Welcome to your second session. In this session, we are going to continue from our previous lesson. In the previous lesson, we studied view completely, and today we're going to start from sort by. If you want these icons to be sorted according to the name, just click the name. See, files that they start with A, B, C, D like this up to the Z. Now, the next one, if you do it one more time, if you click on the name again, it will do vice versa. See? It's vice versa. It acts vice versa. Now, sort by according to the size. So the highest size will come first and the lowest size will go to the end. Now see, this one has the highest size, which is 281 MB. Now if I click it again, it will do something vice versa and it will come to the end. See, here it is. Now the next one is item type. You see, if you sort them according to the item types, Word files will they will get together in one place and Excel files will get together in another place. So you'll see it just right now. See, these are all Microsoft Word files. These are all pictures. See, these are all shortcuts. See, these are all PDF files and these are all folders. So if you want each folder or file with its own type, just sort it according to the type. The next one is date modified. Date modified works like this. If you created a folder, for example, today, it will come to the beginning. Okay, so let's continue. Let me check out the recording. So it works. Yeah, it works. Anyways, so I'll right click on the desktop section and I'll click sort by and come to date modified. So I'll explain date modified one more time. If you created a file, for example, yesterday, and you edited that file yesterday, and you have some more files that you had already created in the past and you had edited them in the past, so the file that you edited yesterday, it comes to the to the top, and the files that you had already edited them in the past, they come to the bottom. For example, I'll say sort by according to date modified. So this is the newest picture I had taken. I took this screenshot in your first session, if you remember. And so if I do it one more time, if I right click on the desktop section and click date modified, it will do something like vice versa. It will come to the end. The next one is refresh. Okay, refresh is done for different purposes. For example, if when your computer is overloaded with programs and it's not working properly, so you can try refresh. It will help your computer. And also when you install something on your PC and it's not shown, so you just refresh one, two, three, or four times, you'll be able to see the changes. If you do not see the changes, then you will have to restart your PC. You'll come to the start menu, and from there you will just click restart. And after you restarted your PC, you will be able to see the changes. Okay, so let's do something, and the next one is next background desktop. So if you see this picture and if you want to change it, you want to change this picture, so you right click on the desktop section and you press next desktop background. So if you click on this one, the picture will change. See, the picture changes. If you want to see the next one, or if you want to change this picture again, just see, it's changed. Now the next one is undo new. Undo new, first of all, if you did something and you want to undo it, you just come here and you just say undo new. For example, I'll create a folder first of all. So here is the folder, it's created. If I want to just undo it, for example, it has to just like disappear. So let's see, undo new. Okay, it's not working, but you have to try it, and I'm sure it will work on your PC. Now the next one is new. If you want to, for example, make some folders, and you want to make some create some files, okay, you can do it from here. For example, if you want to create a folder, you just right click on the desktop section, you come to the new and you click on the folder section. When you click on it, then you just write down the name. For example, you say session 2. So it's session 2. The file name has to change to session 2. Where is it? It's not changed. Okay. Well, I've not installed the graphics of this PC, so it's not working properly, but I'm sure it will work definitely on your computer. The next one is if you want to make some shortcuts, so you right click on the desktop section, you come to the new and you press shortcut. Shortcut is used for different purposes. For example, you use a program most of the time and you have to go, for example, to drive C and program files, and then you open that. So it's better to create a shortcut for it. For example, I will go to this browse, and this here, for example, I will go to the C drive, and I will go to, for example, program files. Okay, I'll come to the end. For example, see this Soldier of Fortune. It's a game that I play in my free time, so I'll just expand this one as well, and I'll find its setup. See, here it is, and I'll create a shortcut for it, so I do not need to go to the drive C and program files and open the folder Soldier of Fortune folder, and then I click that one. So I'll just create a shortcut for it like this and finish. So it's here. When I double click on it, it's like I opened it from C drive, program files, and Soldier of Fortune 2 folder. Now, here is one cool trick I'm going to show you about my shortcut. If you want to create a shortcut for your PC to turn it off, if you want to, for example, you want to create a shortcut like this, when you double click on it, your PC will shut down. So you come to the new and you click shortcut, and here you will have to type shutdown minus s minus t and space 0. So there is space between this, okay? It's minus s space minus t space 0, and you click on next. You'll be able to create a shortcut. See, here it is. Now if I double click on this shortcut, my PC will turn off. So I'll not do this because I'm recording, and it will not be saved, so blah blah blah, it will create some mess. So if you double click on this, your PC will shut down. There is one more cool shortcut I'm going to show you, a new shortcut, and so here type slide to shut down. So slide to shut down. So where is it? Yeah, I have to just change the spelling. Slide to shut down. Okay, next and finish. See, this one is cooler than this one. For example, I'm going to double click on this one. See, if I slide it down, my PC will shut down. If you see, I'll click on this one. If I just bring it to the bottom, it will shut down. So I will not do this one. Okay, I'll just get rid of it. Now the next one is you click on the new, and if you want to create an Access database file, you just click on it. So the file will be created for you. The next one is if you want to create a bitmap image file, just click on it. It will be created like this. And if you want, for example, to create a Microsoft Word file, just click on it. You'll be able to make one. And the rest are also like that. So if you want to make a PowerPoint file, you click on this one, and if you want to make a publisher document file, and it will be made. And if you want to make a WinRAR file, a folder, sorry, you just click on this one. And if you want, for example, to make a Notepad file or WordPad file and Microsoft Excel file and a zip port,